As of 2025, there are no current living trillionaires. And here's exactly how you can start thinking as one, even though there aren't any. Most people think just being a trillionaire is all about having the money and showing up for it. And let me tell you this, come close. That's not all true. The main thing that you need to have if you want to become a trillionaire is the mental mindset of being one. And even though I'm only 14 years old right now and I haven't even became a millionaire yet, here's exactly how I already know how I'm a trillionaire and how I already think like one. Most people don't even know about the law of attraction. And here's a few tips on the law of attraction if you didn't know what it was. The law of attraction is basically when you think of something so much and that it actually starts to become a reality. Just exactly what I'm doing. There's multiple instances that I can account for that I was thinking of something so much and I even made it my identity. And guess what? It had no other option but to align with me and to come into my life as a reality. Now, most people think, okay, Abe, just because I'm 14 years old and I don't know anything about entrepreneurship, that doesn't mean that I can't stop. And let me tell you, you're exactly correct. There's so many people who are even younger than me who are making it way bigger than what I am right now. And here's why. Because they consistently thought of a certain idea and they kept going and they kept working at it. Every second, they're thinking about that same thing. Every moment, they're thinking, how can I reach that goal? Or how can I establish that certain thing or a certain someone? And guess what? They get it every single time because they know how to follow the law of attraction. Now stay with me now. Okay. I already know I'm going to be a certain somebody and I already know where I'm going to be in life. So even if you aren't already there or if you're not that exact person that you want to be, this is exactly what you need to do. You need to stay and start acting as if you already are that person, just like I said previously with the law of attraction. If you're already constantly acting as if, let's say for instance, I'm a trillionaire, right? If I want to act as if I'm a trillionaire already, and in a sense, it's not even acting. All you're doing is training yourself to be ready for when you become a trillionaire or already speaking it and acting it into existence. Because most people can say, oh yeah, I'm going to be a trillionaire one day. And guess what? That one day will never happen because you know what they do? They never work towards it. But by you acting as if you already are a millionaire and a trillionaire, then guess what? You have no other option but to become it. And now the thing that's left for you to do is actually decide if you want to achieve that certain thing or not. Because guess what? You can.